With standards such as these, it's becoming apparent that our students need to know how to gather, pare down, and evaluate information in order to think critically about the information they're finding online. Google Keep is a great tool to help with that. With it, students and teachers can gather information, they can share it, and they can organize those notes by attaching links, drafting documents, slideshows. They can tag the information and do lots of other cool things with it. You can use Google Keep via their website. You can use it via an app, or you can use it via their browser extension. For example, on a website, any information that you have highlighted, you can click the browser extension and it will automatically bring your information into a Google Keep note along with the link. Of course, that does bring up a good discussion with students about the value and the ethics of copying and pasting and when it's appropriate and when it's not. Let's look at Google Keep through the example of a fourth grade teacher and her team who have kiddos who are struggling with long division. The first thing the team could do is make a shared note in which they can all identify specific things that students are having trouble with as they progress through the content. Then they can make a new presentation to help kids review. They can go to Tools and Keep Notepad, and they can pull in that information to help kids remember what it is they are supposed to learn. From there, another thing students might do is they can use their own Keep Notepad to make a note that has a picture attached of their anchor chart. They can use the drawing tool to help write in their own examples, and they can take in any notes that they need to remember about that topic. From there, they may go to YouTube to find a tutorial about how to do that particular thing, and they can use the browser extension to save that video, and they can identify the exact time frame for when there is a point in that video that is most helpful. If you have any questions, you can check out some more information I posted on our Google Plus community, or you can contact me anytime you need help.